As we've learned throughout this semester, there are many elements that are involved in food safety. On their own, these individual guidelines are all important. However, when they come together, they create what we call food safety. One specific characteristic, which we've had a lot of exposure to, is proper storage of food. Just like many aspects of our lives, there's a hierarchy organizing it. Our fridge is the same. Proper storage of food is a crucial step in ensuring our food is safe to eat. It keeps our food fresh, and when done right, it can minimize the risk of cross-contamination, thereby helping to prevent foodborne illness. As you can see, the organization of our fridge is as follows. Ready-to-eat food on top, with raw fish and seafood underneath it, followed by raw whole roasts of pork or beef, then raw minced and ground beef, and finally raw poultry. The reasons as to why proper storage and organization is so important is because it keeps foods from contaminating each other. Allergies aside, notice how if salmon dropped from its packaging or a liquid from it carrying bacteria were to drop onto anything below it, it would still be safe to eat because the required minimum internal temperature rises as you descend down the list. This helps prevent possible biological contamination. When it comes to preventing physical and chemical contamination, we rely on making sure food is stored in the correct containers and that these containers are being used properly. Another recommendation is that you store chemicals very far away from food and, most importantly, never store them above them. All in all, if there's one thing you take away from this video, it's that you don't want your fridge to look like this, but rather you want it to look like this.